Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Nissan Armada and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the towel light. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove any contaminants that the tail light may have. So we're going to start off by installing the film that goes on this section of the tail light. So with this one, what we can do is start by applying Tack Solution just on the edge here. That way it tacks down faster around the edge, and then spray Slip Solution throughout the rest of the tail light. That way we're able to tack down here and then just stretch it to reach to that other end. And all you need is a little bit of Slip Solution on the adhesive side of the film. Place the film down and make sure you align it right on the edge. So just like that, it's aligned on the edge. All you need to do now is apply Tack Solution on top, grab your squeegee, secure this spot, make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film. Once you have this section tacked down, all we need to do is stretch the film until we reach to the edge. To help it stretch, you can apply a little bit of heat around this area on the middle section. And this is just to help remove any fingers that we may encounter when we stretch the film. And it also helps us stretch the film more easier. So place it back down, stretch it until you reach to the edge. Make sure this stays tacked down. And once you have it on the edge, we're going to apply Tack Solution, lift the film carefully, and apply Tack Solution on top. Hold it in position and tack it down. Tack down this whole entire section here and just focus on tacking down this whole section. Bring the film down, make sure all of this stays tacked down. Just like that, make sure this doesn't move, so just place it back down, and then we're going to tack down everything on this section and on the top layer here as well. To remove these fingers here, just apply heat on all the sections where you see the fingers, and then we're going to wrap a microfiber towel around your squeegee and just tack them down. So first apply Tack Solution, apply heat where the fingers are located, and then just start tacking down everything. Wrap your microfiber towel and tack everything down. And you would just repeat this process until you tack down everything. With this one, you can do it the same process as how we did it for this side here. We just need to make sure we align it and then tack it down. But there's no stretching required, just a little bit if needed, just to reach this edge here. So just apply Tack Solution on the edge and then Slip Solution throughout the rest of the tail light. And just a little bit of Slip Solution on the adhesive side of the film. Align it. Once you have it aligned, spray Tack Solution on top and secure this whole entire section. And all we need to do is just a light stretch in order to reach to the edge. Hold it in position, apply Tack Solution on top, and tack it down to secure it. And don't forget about the bottom section, hold it, stretch it to the bottom, it should be good. Make sure to remove all the solution underneath the film, and then just secure the bottom section. And to help remove these fingers, all we need to do is just apply tack solution, a little bit of heat, and tack them down. We should be good. Just make sure to remove all the fingers, and then once you're done tagging down everything, we can move on to post heating the entire tail light. So once you finish with the entire installation, now we can post heat the entire tail light. So just apply tack solution all over the lens, and we're going to use your heat gun and apply heat throughout the entire tail light. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use your microfiber towel just to help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that's trapped on the edges of the tail light. Take your time when you're doing this, and when you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight Tints for the 2022 Nissan Armada. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.